Hi Aquarius, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, Aquarius. Today's reading is going to be different, Aquarius. For your love energies, guys, we are picking cards for your past and present love energies and your future love energies. So the first set of cards is for the past and the present, and these are for the future of your love situation, Aquarius. So let's start with the first cards, guys. Aquarius, so we have 8 of wands in reverse, strength, and hierophant. So in your past situation, guys, or in your present today, in this connection, in this relationship, maybe this person, it may be their energy or your energy, guys. This person has come out with the truth. Maybe they have done some mistakes, or you have hardened your heart, found that courage to come out with some kind of a truth, maybe, and it has disrupted the whole relationship. So, how things were going. Maybe for some of you it was going very positively till now, but your mistakes or their mistakes has created a lot of problems for you in this situation, guys, and you are facing lot of struggles because of that, because of uh, your mistakes or their mistakes. But you are trying to find that balance in your situation, guys. You are trying to be calm and composed, finding that courage to stay calm, trying to understand why this person uh, behaved in such a way. So their guilt or your guilt is causing the troubles in this love, or would have caused the troubles in this connection, guys. So let's see what are the cards for the future love energies. So we have Queen of Wands in reverse, World, and Six of Pentacles. Maybe in the future, guys, maybe you will be able to speak what you need, trying to be honest about what you need for yourself. So you will understand the reason for your what went wrong in the past, maybe, and in your future you are able to uh, proceed in the right way, guys. So you are uh, trying your best to have that stable and secure relationship in future, and whatever that is not working out, you are ready to work it out, maybe trying to bring that understanding. So you will be able to, what to say, communicate more openly, help this person understand you the same way, also eager to understand this person you love. So that mutual support and help and guidance, friendship is what I see for you all, guys, Aquarius, in your future. So you depend on this person, or they depend on you for help and some kind of guidance in life. So you are trying to be more honest, trying to be truthful to them, and trying to speak your heart. So that is what I see for the future of your love situation, guys. And that may be the reason things will go in a very positive way in your future. So if you have honesty in your heart, you are attracting the positive things in this connection, guys. So this person you love, may understand you, and you will be able to build a positive relationship, Aquarius, in your future. So that is what I see with these cards, Aquarius. For your love reading, if you want a more detailed reading, you can watch the oracle guidance that is coming up right now, guys. For your general oracle guidance, guys, these are the cards. So this is your first card and this is your second card. So you can think about your situation, close your eyes and choose the card that comes to you first. So that way the reading may resonate, guys. So we will start with the first card, guys, after a few seconds of silence. Okay, guys, let's start with this card. Let's see what it is. It is clean it up. So that is the card for y'all. So with this card, the energy is, it just means getting to the core of a situation, freedom from burden. So every now and then we feel bogged down by that emotional gunk that we have. So maybe we are surrounded by clutter in our house or in our work situation, overwhelmed. So it is time to clean the house today. So everything that is out of place, everything that is not needed there, when it is there, it just occupies that place, and it, what to say, it creates a negative energy in our situation, guys. It takes up that energetic space. So every unpaid bill or unnecessary thing, when it is removed, we are cleaning our energetic space. So when we just make room for ourselves, we are just giving more space for miracles to take place in our life. So we need to make space for that positivity to come into our life, guys. So anything unresolved you have to go for that, guys. You have to sweep it away today. So that is the reading with this card. That is the guidance with this card, guys, for those who have chosen this first card. So let's see what is the second card here for those who have chosen this card. This card, Mookaite Jasper. So let's see. With this card, guys, the energy is that this is a time for you to go on a new adventure. Maybe take few risks, experience that unknown territory in your life. So the safe road is not the one you need to take right now, guys, because your soul is on the path of healing and it wants to experience that fulfillment and joy today. So this crystal, it stands for that adventurous mode of living, guys. Do not protect yourself, do not hold back from getting hurt, for this crystal is here to encourage you to take that leap, take that risk, have that confidence from knowing that universe is here guiding you each and every step of the way, guys. So you need to let go of your worries, your old beliefs. So step out and take that path, take that risk maybe. So you need to be on an adventurous mode and say no to playing it safe, guys. So this crystal stands for that adventure, and through adventure you are going to discover that wonderful gifts are waiting for you, new ideas, new people, new experiences, new possibilities are here right now ready for you. So all you need to do is to be bold and take that first step. So that is the guidance with this card, guys, for those who have chosen the second card. And that is the reading for today. Thank you for watching. If this reading resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.